guys, welcome back to DJS Detailing. Today we're going to be unboxing my new camera that's going to be used in the channel. Like I said, I do have a GoPro which is still going to be in use. Going to use that for a lot of the wet work when we're filming whatever's going off on the car. But for something that's going to be a little bit further away, that's going to capture like a time lapse, or when it comes to the closer up shots to show the before and after shots, this is going to be perfect. The quality is going to be a lot better. It's going to allow for easier editing. It's just an overall better camera. Hopefully the audio will be better as well. I'm currently recording on my iPhone because to me the GoPro quality is alright in terms of the sound, but hopefully with the new camera this is going to be it. I can just use this and then the GoPro for any other little bits. So the camera that I've decided to go with is the Canon G7X Mark II. It's the go-to camera basically. Everybody on YouTube that I watch seems to go with this camera, so it was a bit of a no-brainer. As you can see, I've gone for the vlogger kit. It made sense to do this because you get a GorillaPod tripod and you get an SD card with it already. So you're not wasting time having to wait for something else to come. I think it was cheaper to buy it in a bundle like this. I also got this from Argos and they did have 15% off at the time that I bought it. So I ended up getting it for the same amount of price with everything in it as what you would do for just buying the camera on its own. So it was quite a good deal in the end. Didn't really want to miss out on it. So definitely worthwhile me getting it. So I've not opened the box at all. Going to go straight into it now. Take everything out, so you guys are going to see it as I see it. Really looking forward to using this camera. Hopefully it's going to improve the quality of the videos, and then it's going to help the channel no end. So let's get into the box and let's have a look. So just lifting the lid. Inside, obviously it's got the usual manuals, and then just the layout. Obviously, like I said, the box is different because it's the vlogger kit. So we've got the camera itself and the tripod. So we'll start with the tripod to start with. I think it's a relatively small tripod, but I don't want anything too big anyway. Don't want anything too big and bulky. It's not a massive camera, it's quite compact. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty damn small. But that's alright, it's nice and lightweight. Feels quite strong. The fixing point looks pretty rigid. Looks quite nice anyway. Nice colourway. It's a tripod, it's going to do its job. Like I said, the next thing that comes with it being the vlogger kit, you get a 32 gig memory card. So with this camera, obviously it's going to record in 1080p. I think it can go to 4K. So with the bigger capacity memory card, I can record for longer and I can record at a higher quality. Therefore, videos will be better. So again, another great part of why I wanted to go for this, rather than just buying the camera on its own and then buying everything else afterwards. Bit of cardboard. Bit more cardboard. Most important part. So now we're getting into the camera itself, into the box. So we'll see what's in this. So again, manuals. We'll look at them if we need to. Does anybody read a manual? We have the charging cable, 3-pin plug. Bit more packaging just to keep everything in place. Wrist strap. Might use that at some point if I'm doing some kind of vlog where the camera's going to be on me. Just obviously risk the chance of it falling and dropping and smashing. The charging unit for the battery. Can you come out the bag already? Yep, can. Obviously it's got the unit for the battery to go into itself. The charging light to show when it's on charge, and then when it's done, obviously reduces the risk of overcharging the battery and therefore having to buy another one. I probably will buy another battery at some point if I'm going to be using the camera for a prolonged period of time. That way I'm not going to have to run out, and then I can just keep vlogging and I can keep recording everything that I'm doing on a certain detail. So again, obviously that's a pivotal part of it. Battery, it's a battery, and then the thing that we're all waiting for is the camera itself. So, wow. So this is the first kind of camera that I've ever had like this. I've never actually had any other camera apart from like a GoPro. I did have a bridge camera when I was slightly younger, but it was nothing compared to this. So just having a quick look around it. Obviously it's got the adjustable screen, so we can pull it out. It can go all the way up, which is obviously useful when I've got the camera like this. I can see what I'm recording, I can see me making sure I'm in shot. It does fold out as well, both up and down, so another great feature of a vlogging camera. We'll try and put the battery in. Some people really struggle with this for some reason, from what I've seen on previous videos, but hopefully we won't do the same. We'll also try and put the SD card in. just so we can try and get some shots. Second time looking, and then we'll get the SD card. So obviously a full-size SD card rather than a micro SD. It's going to fit into my MacBook a lot easier rather than having to find an adapter, which is quite good. Another quite handy tip. Let's fit it in the right way. That just clips in, and then the base to lock it, it's just a slide, and then it is locked. Okay, so we'll also put the tripod on just to see what it looks like. Great little setup. The tripod feels quite strong. Doesn't feel as if it's going to bend. I'm giving it quite a firm shake now. The arms aren't bending, which is good. Should keep the camera quite still. It's not heavy. Like I said, it's nice and compact. It looks great. I love the look of these cameras. Plenty of features which I might go into on another video if people want to. Like I said, it's a detailing channel. I'm only showing this so you guys know what I'm using. If anybody else wants to do the same, obviously get one. I highly recommend them from what I've heard from other people. So let's just show you around the camera itself. Obviously you've got your shutter buttons on the top and the different kinds of settings that you can use. I'll obviously read into this and pick up more as I go on. The buttons on the back, record button, menu buttons, and usual stuff. So there's no lens cover, which is nice, but obviously you've got the zoom wheel on the front on the lens itself. Let's power it on for the first time. Set the date and time. Okay, so now we're on the G7X. Just obviously this is how I got the camera set up. Like I said, I was using my iPhone. The quality looks unbelievable. I actually can't believe how good that is. So yeah, recording on the iPhone. We've also got the G7X now recording just to show the quality of this. It's a SanDisk SD card. Obviously that's going to come in handy with it being a decent quality memory card. It allows the quality to be slightly higher. You can see obviously just pillows, phone. So if we flip it round to me, wow, this lighting is bad. Okay, so now I need to make sure that I'm not looking up at the screen. I'm always looking at the lens, but I can kind of see it in my eye line. I'm in frame, which is good. That's the use of this camera. With the flip out screen, I can see everything that I'm doing. The lighting, it's not great, but the camera seems to be picking it up quite well. So we'll just go with the autofocus. See if it works. There we go. And then back to me. Within seconds. Like I said, really excited. The battery is going by the looks of it, so we're gonna have to get this on charge. But this was just a bit of a video to show you the new channel camera that's going to be used, how the channel is going to be run now. So this is the camera that's going to be in use. The camera is going to increase the quality of the videos. The video is going to be better. The channel is going to be better. So it's quite a big investment. Obviously it's still quite a small channel at this moment in time, but it's something that I'm excited about, something that I'm looking forward to. So here's to the G7X. Hopefully the start of something new and exciting with the channel. Gonna make it better. So again, thank you for tuning in, guys. If you do want to ask me any questions about the camera, then do so. If you want another video explaining how I'm going to be using it in terms of the settings that I use, comment below, let me know, and I can do that. There will be a video up, which I said was going to be up a couple of weeks ago, but I forgot to upload it. So that will be up, and that was the AM Details detail. So that will be up, and then it should be up after this vlog has gone up. So it's just a pretty straightforward video, this. I don't have to edit it. So thanks to the iPhone for starting it. Thanks to the G7X for finishing it. So again, thank you guys, thanks for tuning in, appreciate it. Subscribe, comment, anything that you want to see for future videos, let me know. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.